Mwah. This hair came individually, so what I'm going to do, I'm planning on a style that will last. Like, I want a style that will last for me, so I'm going to make the back, the entire back of the hair is going to look like crochet hair, that the front is going to be individual braids. So let's get it done quickly. So let me show you how the hair looks like. And the model, this is how the model looks like. It's too bulky on the model, so what I'm doing is I'm going to make it a bit lighter. So let me go back for you to see how the hair look like. So that is it. Thank you guys, I appreciate it a lot. Alright, so let me pat the back quickly. Sorry, the front, because the front is going to give a little bit of individual crochet, and the back is going to give like now I already explained that. I don't know if you guys can see that clearly. I'm going to zoom into the hair for you guys to see the entire process, so never mind. Right now I just want you guys to see how I'm going to divide the entire hair, so no worries now. Look at that. I think this is too much. I'm going to take a little bit out of it. Is this too hot? The room is hot, so I need to, yeah. Is the AC working? AC, okay, it's working now. I just want to let you know, guys, know, look at this. I'm done with the cornrow. I hope you like it. I'm done with it. Now I'm going to braid this side individually, and this is the hair. This is the hair I'm going to use. Let me take it out of. This is the hair. Every one of the pack came in 3 sets. So it came in 3 sets, and this is how it's looking. Let me bring it close to the camera for you to see how it looks. The length is about 20 inches. So it's going to be somewhere here. Alright, so begin with me. I'm going to be a minute. I'll be back soon. See this one, I'm going to sew in and leave so it can get a place to stay. So let's continue from the back. Let me show you how I'm going to do that. Loop in and hook the crochet hair on it, pull it through and then lock it in. Pull again, and that is it. Pull. So it's all about hook in. So I don't know if you can see that clearly. This is what I'm doing. Pull through and use this to hook it like this, and that's it. So now that you know how to do it, let me face you and continue from here. Ooh, this is it's a bit painful, but anyway, we will work with it. I should have bought longer legs than this, but anyway, it's okay.
Like this. Making a lot of faces and ooh, this is crazy. I don't know I wanted this hair to be super long. My God, it's tricky.
So now we have this. I'm going to continue from here because we are just finished with one line. Let me start with another line. Slow by show, we are going forward. Slow but sure.
Upgrade, we have a New Year's special that includes dessert. Maybe I can interest you in a loud public argument. Okay, give me 1 sec. Take your time. You look hungry. Are you hungry? Yeah. No. Okay. I will eat something. Yeah, I should do it. Thank you. Thank you so much. You know what? This is not living. Asada Shakur said we got nothing to lose but our chain. Vámonos! Not our game. Vámonos! I'm so hungry. Shit, I was on Waste Watchers for 3 years. I was off and on for 10. Ouch. But low-key, it was comforting being around other people that are fucked up in the exact same way as you. Yeah, but it's all bullshit, right? 1,000%. Alright. Here's all the fat bitches that set themselves free. You are not fat. Don't talk about yourself like that. Bitch, you got eyes. We both fat as fuck. I just said that out of habit. If I call myself fat in front of Rory, he corrects me. Well, I think you're both beautiful and fat as hell. Respectfully. Hello. Tell me, is Rory a Leo? Yeah, how do you know? They can be a little superficial. He can be a little narcissistic. Like, the other day, you know what, never mind. No. What? His dad put me up for this management class and he asked me not to take it. You're taking it though, right? His relationship with his dad is messy, and as his friend, I'm not going to throw fuel on the fire. That would be selfish. And as your friend, that's his fire. Putting yourself first is not being selfish. Yes, right? It is. If it hurts somebody, you got to put your needs aside. Does anybody have Renee Brown's number? Anyone? Be honest. Do you want to take this management class? It does come with the rating. Bitch, take the class. He would do the same for me. The same man you just called a narcissist? No. I get you, Mom. I was just like you. But then I did ayahuasca and I realized I have to ask for what I want, period. Conflict be that bitch. She can make a relationship grow or break it. Exactly. After 5 years, Eric didn't like it when I found my voice. So we got a divorce. Now I'm back to dating women. Yes, okay. Okay. Let's say I take it. I ain't got nothing to wear. Seamless. I can have you looking managerial as fuck in no time. Y'all want to come over to my place and do a fucking makeover? Yes. Do you think we can do it tomorrow? Wow. You can bail if whatever it is you're about to do is something that you actually want to do. Bet. Did somebody say fashion show? Hey! I got the looks. We're gonna do an eye for you. I want to look like Michael Scott. Like my friends, they told me to dress the part, so a bitch did.
So you got some good friends?
Whoosh. I do.
Okay. Last question.
No. I thought that was the last question.
You're not the only one who's like to break the rules, eh?
Alright, okay.
So, let's do it.
And this is how it's looking. So as I said earlier, I was doing a content that the front part is going to look like an individual and the back is crochet hair. So as you can see, I am finally done with it. And let me show you how the front is looking. This is how the front is looking, the entire front part of the hair. So let me do a styling for you to see how you can be able to style this kind of hair. Let me see if I can shift. Oh, here is better. Yeah, so this is how it's looking. You can do so many styles with this particular hair that I did, or you can move it to the side also. So yeah, finally I am done and I'm already slaying it. Then you go to the next one. When you go to the next one, this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. Yeah, this is another way to get it styled, to style it. This is another way to do it. What style are we doing? So sometimes if the style, if you are in a hurry to go somewhere and you don't want to do too much, just pick 2 lines from the back, or maybe 2 each. Why are you doubling up? Then you use it to tie from the back, and that is it. You're good to go. That is it, guys. Another one, another style. Sometimes you can even bring 2. Even if you lift it up, you can bring 2 to the front. I don't know how this is, because the camera is not so close to me, so I don't want to stand and look at it too. But guys, so we are finally done. So when I was live on YouTube, someone sent me a message saying, oh, when you do the hold up, it lifts your cheekbone. It's I don't know why people are so obsessed with cheekbones. I'm not a fan of it. But so far as my subscribers are a fan of it, I'm going to continue doing that for them. Yeah. YouTube is all about community. So what your community is saying. So I need to quickly stand up and pick up the hairband that I just drew. Imagine. Okay, wait, it's here. Oh, don't follow. Alright, so I'm going to hold it up once again for you guys to see how the updo is looking like. For me, I prefer to do half up and the rest of it down. So yeah, that is it. So right now half is up and the rest of it is down. Let me stand for you to see how it's looking, because I don't want the entire hair to go down like that. Alright, Sheshieni, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, I'm going to post the complete video on my YouTube. So if you are watching, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, and comment for others to see the video. In case you also have questions, let me tint my lips a bit. Yeah, thank you guys. Mwah.